Today we're showcasing the Lenze Automation System as shown on the automation wall behind me. We have a complete automation system right from the cloud-based solutions at the top for Industry 4 solutions, Industrial Internet of Things, etc. But that goes right the way through PLCs, HMIs, right the way down to servos and motors. With the beginning of this digital revolution, as we call it, we found that a lot of companies are losing their way a little bit, and we're trying to help them find a way through the old Industry 4 maze. We've got a pre-done solution where we can provide an already finished Internet of Things solution where you can have a dashboard on your phone, and that will give you OEE data, or we can do bespoke solutions for that type of solution. I believe that the UK manufacturers need to really look at this as an opportunity. I think UK manufacturers of machines can work with partners such as ourselves, and they can revolutionise the way that machines are used in industry by end users, make them more efficient, more available, increase uptime, increase profitability, and also work on maintenance, predictive maintenance rather than reactive maintenance.